Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This is the original Lego brand store set that I had, and I kept staring at it and I thought, I think I need to rebuild this. Here it is. This is what I came up with. So this is what it looks like here on the side. I made the building 10 studs deep so I could add lots of details inside. I thought it needed to be like that, and the sidewalk only needs to be 6 deep, so that's why I have done it like that, and the whole build is 20 wide. At the front here I wanted to add these tiled pillars. I thought they looked better than the white grates that Lego had originally. It just adds extra colour to the front of the shop, I think. I have a lamppost here and I have some brick planter boxes here, and hang on, I want to put them off center there. That looks a lot better now. Across here I wanted to do a newspaper stand, so this is on a 16 by 16 base plate, and this is what it looks like on the side. So I've only made it 6 deep. I thought that was big enough for this little shop. Also wanted to add some of the green stripes there as it looks nice with the brown. We've got a green and white slopey roof there, and the news sign, which are just the dots tiles. Added a few lamps there on the side, and I've hung up some maps up here on those plates with the little claw clip on there, so they hang up like that. And we've got a little serving window there, so you don't have to go inside the little shop. And now we've got a little newspaper rack, so that's how I made it. So I've got some magazines there, some letters, invitations, but at the front also we need yummy lollies and chocolates to buy. Also, this newspaper stand sells drinks and you can buy it from the drinks vending machine. I built those in my Emma's art school too. I just love those builds. Popped in the little wheelchair ramp, and I have a little post box there, and I made this tree. I love these trees. We've got a little squirrel on there. I just changed up the colours. And over here I've got that newspaper rack that I made on my little short video, and you pop it on and then you can spin it around to get all your magazines. That's the front done now, and I'll just spin it around so we can see inside the little newspaper stand shop. And I've got lots of drinks inside to sell, bottles of water, and here's just a crate with lots of spare magazines, and I'll try and get it in there. There we go. And a little cash register, and Ethan is working there. That's his job for now. And I put a little clock there on the wall and just continued those slopey bricks there at the top of the roof. Now the Lego store inside. My favourite part, the pick a brick wall. I just added a few more coloured studs there, and we've got some big cups and little cups, and I made that duck thing. The first toy Lego made was the wooden duck, so that goes proudly in the front window. And I kept the safari photo stands, and I had these tiles that I ordered from Lego, so they could be Lego sets there. And then I just did the random tiling on the floor, which worked out really well. Now we need a little cash register here and some sets at the front of it, so that goes there. And we've got a big Lego set there and a stand, and I made a little Lego bag that just sits in here so I don't push it all the way down, and that goes next to the cash register. My store has a very happy Lego employee. That's what I would be like if I worked at Lego shop. Let's turn it around because I have done another level. Level 2, and I continued this brickwork up the side, the same as the bottom level. 3 windows here up the top, and I continued the red tiles at the front. This is what it looks like on the side. And now inside the shop, so I did that wall full of stickers. There's the brick pit there. And on the side here, I had a Friends tile and I thought, how perfect. Let's put all the Friends sets on one wall. So that worked out really well. And I kept that train because I really liked it. So it goes up here. The castle as well. But look what I made. Olivia's house. I loved it. It was very hard drawing the black lines on there with my shaky wobbly hand. But that's my favourite set. And then I thought, why not make all the girls' houses, so the 5 girls have a house there on display. And I popped that big mural on the side so it looks like artwork on the side of the building. Time to put it on level 1. So I've got to click it all in place. Oh, that's starting to look good, but I did make level 3. Here it is, same again, continued those brick things, the 3 windows and the red tiling with the Lego sign up here. And I wanted the Lego dragon included, so this is how I built the body, like this. And I just attached it on there, and then I included the tail on the side, so it looks like it's weaving in and out of the brickwork. I used some of the inverted slopes there just to add more detail for the roof line. So that's how it looks on the side. Another mural poster thing there. And turn it around. This is what it's looking like here. And I wanted to do the roof line grey. I just added these aircon units at the top to hold the roof in place. And inside here we got the minifigure factory, we got Ninjago and city sets up here. Got some cars there and a fire engine, R2-D2 and Darth Vader's, the Lego sets there. And this little train came with one of the Creator 3-in-1 sets, so I thought that was perfect to add into my Lego store. Now over here we need this little guy, the child from last year's advent calendar. I love him, he's so cute. And a land speeder. Another micro build, and these are perfect as display pieces. We got another employee and she doesn't look too impressed with all of my sound effects. All right, here we go. Let's pop it on. Let's click it in place, and oh, this looks so good. This is gonna look so good in my city. A 3-leveled Lego store. Mirabelle and Antonio have come to the new Lego store. Antonio's excited about the pick a brick wall and he's got a large cup. The little boy here loves looking at the Lego Friends houses. My cat is taking a ride on the land speeder. And here's the Lego store amongst all my other builds that I have. My version of the Lego brand store, my custom built version, I love how this has turned out. I am glad I made it 3 stories to fit as much detail as I could. I needed a little newspaper stand. I thought that just looks perfect amongst all the other buildings in my city. I only used 1 set for this, plus I had other bricks, so it's actually quite easy to remodel into a 3-story. I hope I've given you some ideas. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building, get creative.